Ever dreamed of taking your off-road vehicle out for a ride on an open road safely and legally? What about getting a license plate for your side-by-side, dirt bike, or ATV? Better yet, a permanent plate? Well, let's talk about how Montana's unique registration process can make that happen. In most states, making an off-road vehicle street legal can be a huge headache or just straight up impossible. But Montana gives you a straightforward legal pathway to do it. And the best part, it's all about making sure your vehicle is safe and compliant for the road. So here's what you need to do. Montana doesn't require any in-state inspections, but you will need to add required safety equipment like mirrors, lights, turn signals, a horn, brakes, and reflectors. You also need an odometer. Think of it like giving your off-road ride a little safety upgrade so you're visible and not in harm's way on public roads. As long as you take care of the conversion, we'll take care of getting your off-road vehicle registered. We make the whole thing simple through our Montana LLC registration process that allows us to help you permanently register your street legal ride. And yes, that means once you do this process, you can enjoy your side-by-side or dirt bike on the streets without any worry. Now, why Montana over somewhere like South Dakota? Well, Montana offers permanent registration. That means once you're set up, you never have to renew it again. On top of that, you'll get LLC protection with the vehicle being registered under a business you own instead of you personally. In South Dakota, you'd have to renew your registration every single year, and the vehicle would likely be registered in your personal name, which can cause issues in your home state due to having mismatching driver's license. So Montana's not just easier, it's smarter. Of course, we're not claiming to be lawyers. We're just here to help you find a safe and compliant route. And hey, remember, once you're street legal, you still gotta follow all the traffic rules. No crazy stunts in the middle of the city. Now, we do often get asked if this will draw attention from law enforcement, and it's a fair question. In our experience, most folks have a pretty positive interaction because they're being transparent and doing things properly. But it's good to note that not every officer will be familiar with Montana's rule. Remember, you completed a street legal conversion. Your dirt bike now meets motorcycle equipment standards and it's registered in Montana as a motorcycle under your LLC. Converted four-wheel OHVs like ATVs, UTVs are registered in Montana as quadricycles, essentially a four-wheel motorcycle. It's not the same as an off-road only machine you started with. So yes, you might turn a few heads driving a street legal UTV around town. If a little extra attention isn't your thing, this might not be the perfect route for you. Other common questions we get are about insurance. Now, we're not insurance agents or brokers, but we can tell you that many of our past clients have found insurance agents who understand this unique setup. In fact, if you need help, just reach out to us and we can share the contact info of professionals our clients have recommended. There are numerous insurance providers who specialize in this exact setup to help you figure out how to get your vehicle insured, usually in your home state, since most insurers care about where the vehicle is garaged. So if you're ready to learn more or get started yourself, just check the description below for more details. We'll help you get everything set up so you can enjoy your ride the safe and street legal way. Thanks for watching, and let's hit the road. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.